customer has inquired about a particular vehicle in our dealership and they want to know specific details about the car. Given there's a potential sale on the line, what's the best way for us to respond? In this short video, we're going to find out and look at how to create an experience that forms a positive impression on your customer. First, we should always start and finish the video on us. Some people might be reluctant to take a starring role, but our cameo at the beginning and end will provide a clear structure for our video content. It also helps us to build rapport, which is never a bad thing. Just like with any product walk around, the vehicle should be spotlessly clean and in a suitable area with a good amount of space. No matter how good the car looks, positioning it in an untidy area is really going to take the shine off what we're trying to create. The front wheel should be turned to the near side. This allows the customer to see the tyre tread. When carrying out any internal presentation, all windows and doors should be closed and the engine should not be running. It's really important to display the vehicle mileage, allowing the customer to compare it with the information in the service book. Of course, any specific features that the customer has requested should be covered. And to ensure that they're fully informed and we get closer to that sale, it's always best to let them know what happens next. And now we come to the point where we have to consider actually filming. We want the videos to look good, but we're not trying to win an Oscar out here. There are a few simple things to consider. When shooting, start on the passenger side at the front. We can then provide a short overview of the vehicle make, model, engine and colour. Our customer now knows exactly what car it is, which means that we can focus on the key features and styling. Now heads up. We are going to have to walk and talk with the camera at some point, and any movement around the vehicle should be steady. It's pretty easy though, a bit like walking and talking with a hot cup of coffee. We should always show the boot space. The use of a visual aid is a good one to show depth and size. The usual stuff is fine, umbrellas, suitcases, take your pick, as long as we're providing a good idea of size for the viewers. If the customer has family members, showing rear seats and legroom is vital. Even those without a family will usually want a good idea of space in the back. Once we've made it into the driver's seat, we should pan the camera across the dashboard and central console, and then to the passenger seat and rear. This provides the viewer with an idea of space inside the vehicle from a different angle. Using simple techniques like pointing at features really enhances the video. It also makes it easier for the customer to understand and follow our description. A word of caution though, what's not important to us might be important to the customer. The video should finish at the front of the car with us in the shot. So we're talking selfie type filming with us in front of the vehicle. This offers a nice final view of both the car and of us, where we've shown ourselves touching buttons and physically interacting with features of the vehicle. Now is a great time to inform customers that the vehicle will be prepared and sanitised in line with government guidelines before they take a look at it. Remember to thank the customer for watching and also provide a brief summary and follow-up message. This should allow the customer to know exactly what's going to happen next. Nothing too wordy or complicated, think short and sweet. And talking of endings, we've reached ours. Thanks so much for watching and please do look out for more videos from us. See you next time.